everybody, my name is Mark Schuyler. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about Quicksilver Wealth Accelerated. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in, take you a nice tour on this right away to show you what Quicksilver is. Now Quicksilver is a way how you stack precious metals up and create wealth while doing it, while showing the offer to other people. So, to show you what I'm talking about, precious metals, for some people who do not know what that is, I will show you. So, on this, and I'll break this down for you what these all are. I know what you're saying. Well, these are coins. Uh, these are silver and gold. Just to let you know that. And what we have is, you can see here, we have a gold bar, we have silver bars in here, and we also have Ethereum coins, which we are sold out of. I see that already. But we did have those. And so anyway, so they have like the collector supplies, graded gold stuff, ancient historic, and specialty series. Sometimes they have a promotional thing that goes on, like certain coins they come out with. And what they have right now is they have like take the challenge stuff. No, it's I can break that down to you if somebody's interested in that. It gets you like earning stuff faster that way. Because you have like certain points you have to rank up and stuff like that. And they're doubling points right now. Just to let you know that. Anyway, I go back to the back office. Before I lose anybody, because I know you probably got lost all that jargon I just talked about. So anyway, you come in, become a member, wealth ambassador, which going to come in as first. So I'll let you know. It will go over like the whole training video, stuff like that. It's what you get. And then you have a marketing system too, so that you'll know that. Then it breaks down a compensation plan here. One page. Then you want the detailed version of it, you get that there. And then it talks about achievement levels, how you can rank up, and stuff like that, and so forth. And then on this, you have when somebody refers to you refer comes in, you can send this message out to them. That's how that works. And then we have business cards here. You get the optional marketing system, which is pretty cool too. And then, like I said, it's a way how you can stack precious metals. Um, I guess I could show you a little bit about the comp plan. I'm not really good at breaking all that stuff down, but anyway, you earn like a direct commissions, like that. With all these videos, it breaks it down to you, shows you, explains it to you. Please excuse me. And then the wealth cycle bonuses, you have like I guess like 90 days for this for you to get all that stuff. But then it breaks down for everything, how you know how you get overrides, about challenge bonuses, and etc. Customer acquisition, customer. So if you decide that you just want to be a customer, not promote this whole thing, there is a shop. Like I said, you can promote like somebody decides they don't want the business aspect of this. They just want to collect gold coins and silver stuff like that. You get a link for that too. Just I'll break it down for you. And how do I find that? Oh, let's see here. Should I? So anyway, when you become a member, it shows you you can remote like the shop for somebody, and it breaks it down. I'll show you. So when you come in here and you're buying stuff, for just you, it's going to show up as you're logged in. Stuff like that. So when you refer somebody, you know, share that link to them, send it to them. Hey, you just don't want the business side? Okay, well then I'll upsell it to you. You know, but you're gonna pay more. That's the thing that people don't understand. You're gonna pay a little bit more, but some people probably like, well, I ain't paying that much more. But I mean, it depends on what you buy. I mean, it could be a little bit more, or it could be a lot more. Just thought I'd break that down for you. And that's basically it in a nutshell with this one. It ain't much to really go over. I mean, because like I said, go in and watch the videos that'll break it down for you how it works out. And we have the March Madness huge promo. I mean, everybody's got the March Madness going on. Basketball does, this we do, and other businesses do as well. So just watch that out, and then then on Fridays at the Flipping Friday special, which is pretty cool. I missed out they had this Batman thing that they had going on, and it was really cool. I mean, it looked like the Batarang. I mean, silver. I ain't talking fake silver. I'm talking real silver here. So, thank you for checking out my video, and I'll have a link for you for people who want to get started. Like I said, it's real easy to promote. Not bad. Appreciate you guys checking out this video. Thank you.